welcome to all. We celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June of every year. The environment has a complete cycle to maintain the proper balance on Earth. Earth is a home for different living species. We depend on the environment for food, water, and air. The main aim of the day is to raise awareness among people to protect the environment. Thank you.
Today, I am going to deliver a speech on the Environment Day. It is celebrated on 5th June since the year 1974. It is observed to create awareness among the people for the protection of environment. Friends, as we all know, our environment has been getting in great risk day by day. It is due to the issues such as deforestation, global warming, air pollution, etc. As per the predictions of the scientists, if this tradition is not get changed, the world would not be livable within the coming 100 years. So, we all need to be thoughtful. It is possible only if we focus on the use of solar energy, forest management, plantation, conservation of water, reduce of impact of greenhouse gases, etc. If we don't be aware now, the cases of drought, flood, storm, earthquake will increase. We recently have the experienced destructiveness of nature in the storm Amphan and Yas. It again proves the helplessness of human being before the nature. Animals, birds are also depend to the nature. To help them and maintain the ecosystem, we should be determined to increase the greenery in the world. To ventilate this message to you all the necessity of plantation, I have designed a tree having a nest in it. It shows the dependency of bird on the tree as we are to the environment. Thank you.
It's time for the nature. As parents are the physical appearance of Almighty God, like that, environment stands for Mother Nature. In environment, we are born, we are brought up, and we live. So, a healthy environment is important for all the species in this world. So, to ensure a healthy environment, some balance we have to maintain. The balance in between plants and animals, the balance in between oxygen and carbon dioxide, and the balance in between civilization and greenery. But nowadays, for the excuse of growing civilization, we have forgot to maintain this balance. So the results are pollution, natural calamities like earthquake, floods, droughts, and severe storms. So, to maintain this balance a little bit, we celebrate World Environment Day. The World Environment Day comes to remind us that if there is no nature, there will be no future. Because a one seedling that is planted today can save the life of 1,000 people in future. A one fruit that we have got from a tree can be the food of so many poor people. So come, let's join our hands, protect our mother nature, plant more trees and save our mother earth from a dangerous future. Thank you.
In the so-called modern era, the biggest issue for the human race is to save the environment and make Earth a cleaner and greener planet. Unfortunately, the environment has come under serious threat. Therefore, there is an urgent need to save the environment. Now, it is our duty to take some important measures and save the environment for the future generation. Industrialization has been the biggest source of pollution. In order to save the environment, we should switch to eco-friendly energy sources such as solar power, hydropower, wind energy, etc. Too many people complain that the damage is beyond the repair point. However, it is better to put in effort rather than to sit and whine. It is hard to believe, but we don't always have to do something huge to save the environment. Every person, even a child, can contribute to the world's safe environment goals. We can together do so by reducing the plastic usage, saving electricity, using solar power, and planting more trees in our surroundings. We need to come with great afforestation and reforestation schemes to save the environment. Doing this will not only save the environment but also improve the quality of life for both animals and plant species and save them from going extinct. In conclusion, I would like to add that environment is a precious gift on this planet and nowadays it is facing great danger. Saving environment is the need of the hour and the biggest concern of the world right now. Any delay in this regard could be disastrous. Thank you.
As we all know that environment refers to the natural surrounding and conditions in which we all live. So unfortunately this environment has come under the serious threat, therefore there is an urgent need to save the environment. So first of all, harming the environment and causing pollution have caused global warming. Due to this global warming, many people and animals have died. So saving the environment would reduces the global warming. So saving the environment would certainly protect the animals and water level also would rise. So it is very necessary to maintain the environment in balance, and unfortunately due to the construction many trees have been cut down, and this certainly reduces the amount of oxygen in environment. So growing more trees means more oxygen. So if we plant more trees, then we will get better life quality. So and people also must give their attention to the forest conservation too. The government must launch program to conserve the forest, and there should also be afforestation and tree plantation to conserve the soil. So terrace farming and using natural fertilizers are some more ways. So in conclusion, I would like to add that environment is the precious gift on this planet. So saving the environment is the need of the hour and the biggest concern of humanity right now. So any delay in this regard would be disastrous. Thank you so much.